In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grammarly for MS Word. By the end, you'll have Grammarly running inside Microsoft Word, with the familiar G icon and helpful suggestions appearing as you write. First, let's get the app from the official source. Open your web browser and go to grammarly.com/desktop. This is Grammarly's trusted download page for the desktop application that integrates with Microsoft Word. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any lookalikes, and choose the download that matches your operating system. The file will start downloading to your computer. Give it a moment, and once it's finished, open the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. This is a quick process and only needs to be done once. When the installer completes, you're ready to use it inside Word. Open Microsoft Word like you normally would. After Word launches, look toward the bottom or side of your document window. You should see a small G icon appear. That icon indicates Grammarly is active and ready to help. If you already have a document open, you can start typing a few sentences to see it in action. Grammarly will underline potential issues and offer suggestions in a small panel, guiding you on grammar, clarity, and spelling. You can click a suggestion to learn more and apply it if it fits your intent. Nothing changes automatically without your confirmation, so you stay in full control of your writing. If the G icon doesn't appear right away, try closing Word and opening it again to refresh the connection. Also, make sure you installed the desktop app from the official site and that you're using the desktop version of Microsoft Word rather than a web browser tab. A quick restart of your computer can also help if Word was open during installation. A few tips as you begin. Grammarly's suggestions are most effective when you review them one by one, especially for tone and clarity. Use a sample paragraph to test how it behaves with your writing style. And remember, it's a writing assistant, not a replacement for your voice. Accept the suggestions that strengthen your message and skip the ones that don't fit. That's all there is to it. Download the Grammarly desktop app from grammarly.com/desktop, install it, open Microsoft Word, and look for the G icon with live suggestions as you write. You're ready to write with more confidence right inside Word.